In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp Sales Estimator. We'll start right on an Amazon product page. Once you've opened the product you're researching, launch the Selleramp or SaaS extension so its panels appear on the page. This is where you'll find the key data that drives your decision making. Focus first on two areas inside Selleramp, the Quick Info panel and the Ranks and Prices panel. In these sections, look for the estimated monthly sales figure. This is the headline number you'll use to gauge demand. When you see something like 100 sales month, that represents an estimate of the total number of units sold on Amazon for that listing over a typical month. It's not your sales, it's the marketplace's overall sales for that product. It's important to understand where that estimate comes from. Selleramp uses the product's best sellers rank, or BSR, along with historical sales and ranking data to predict monthly demand. Because it's a model based on patterns, it isn't exact, but it's a reliable directional indicator. Keep in mind that BSR is category specific and can fluctuate with seasonality and promotions, so use this number as a guide rather than a promise. Next, estimate your potential share. A simple, practical approach works well. If the estimate shows 100 sales per month, and there are 10 active sellers competing at similar prices with buy box eligibility, a rough expectation is about 10 units per month for you. In reality, sales are divided among sellers, and your price, stock levels, and shipping speed can shift that share up or down, but this logic gives you a quick baseline. Now take a closer look at who you're up against by checking whether the sellers are FBA or FBM. FBA offers typically capture a larger share because they qualify for fast prime shipping and often win the buy box more consistently. If most competitors are FBA and you're FBM, adjust your expectations accordingly. If you're FBA in a field of FBM offers, you may capture more than the simple even split. Finally, cross-check the estimate using Keepa. Open the Keepa chart for the product and look at the sales rank line over time. Frequent rank drops are a strong sign of consistent sales velocity. If the Selleramp estimate seems high, but the Keepa chart shows very few rank drops, that's a signal to be cautious. Conversely, steady, repeated drops support the estimate and your projected share. Use these steps together to move from raw data to a confident, realistic sales expectation.